जौहर बॉलीवुड के ऐसे नोन सेलेब हैं जिनके इस इंडस्ट्री में बीएफ यानी बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स की कमी नहीं है। राइट फ्रॉम करीना कपूर खान टू शाहरुख खान, काजोल से लेके आमिर, हर कोई करण को अपना दोस्त मानता है। और अब करण के 20 साल पुराने दोस्त ने भी उनकी तारीफों के पुल बांध दिए। वो हैं फेमस फैशन डिजाइनर मनीष मल्होत्रा। इन दोनों ने अपनी फ्रेंडशिप और अपने प्रोफेशन को किस तरह संभाला, चलिए जानते हैं इन्हीं से।
I think till date, I think for me, Karan's film is like my film, it's like my production, and it never really. And I think like how I would, if I was producing that film, I would make sure that I'm on time, and that everything is done correctly. And likewise, when it's Karan's film, I just make sure that everything is correct. So it's never that, and of course. I think for any relationship which is personal and to last out professionally, it's really important that at your work you don't get your personal equations. So it's not that when Karan's taking a shot, I'm going to just backstab him and say, hey, you know what, that happened last night, because he's doing something really important. So you've got to respect that. And I think I don't know. I've never really understood why people say good friends can't work together. And I think Karan, we are an example. It's almost 20 years. And I mean, with Karan's film starting now, we're all going to be in London for a long time. I'm actually looking forward to it, and yeah, so it's like my film starting. So I don't think of any kind of pressure.
I completely endorse what he said. I think when Manish does the clothes on my film, like, I'm completely stress-free. I think he and I have a complete understanding. I think I completely respect his talent, his vision, and his extreme amount of hard work that he puts into even one single costume. Manish will give it a deep amount of thought. And I respect the fact that he's still so passionate after being in the business for nearly 25 years. He's still so passionate about every garment that he puts out there. And to me, that really, really strikes a chord on an emotional level. And working with him is like working with family. I mean, like, Manish and I have a complete understanding. Even when we kind of sit and jam on something, I mean, I trust him completely, because he's more than being a fashion-friendly working entity. He's also passionate about Hindi cinema. And I think it's the synergy of the two that really makes him the man he is.
Well, Karan ने अपने डेब्यू रोल इन बॉम्बे वेलवेट के बारे में भी बताया।
I have to correct them and say I'm not like Mogambo or anything like that. It's not that kind of villain. I'm really nervous about it because it's my first foray into film acting, and I'm just really stressed out about how it's going to be accepted when it's out.
अपनी फिल्म्स को लार्जर देन लाइफ दिखाने वाले करण और डिजाइनर मनीष मल्होत्रा ने ये भी बताया कि अकॉर्डिंग टू देम कौन है बी टाउन में सबसे ज्यादा स्टाइलिश।
I definitely think that Sonam is a game changer when it comes to red carpet fashion. I do believe that she should be given that credit completely. When it comes to fashion iconic in general, I don't think there's anyone better than Mr. Bachchan. I think you can give him anything to wear and he carries it off with the aplomb that I don't think any other individual has.
Credit a lot to Kangana, because I mean, coming from a small town and learning everything here and evolving and understanding fashion and carrying it off so well, I think is I don't know, I don't know saying this, but yes,
No, I'm just saying that.
Yeah,
I do believe Kangana has the quirkiest and the most individualistic sense of fashion. I think she has her own sense, and I think she is not somebody who follows the norm. She sets them.
Well, ये तो रहे करण और मनीष मल्होत्रा. But for more Bollywood updates, do not forget to subscribe Music India TV.